Today we're actually installing a synthetic tile. This is a Brava tile, and it's basically a plastic synthetic. Many houses in this area are old historic houses. A lot of them have still original tile or slate on them. This house did have a Ludovici tile roof on it, but the tile and the flashing started giving the homeowner some problems, so he decided he wanted to go to something a little more modern. So this is not the first time we've used this product. It's gone on really well. We've used this tile before on Clark Rec Center for City of Cleveland for one of the recreation centers that they were restoring. They used to have an old tile and they went with this. We've then talked this homeowner into going with the same type of tile on this house. The final product looks great. Can't tell the difference between real tile and this. And it goes on much faster than it would with an actual clay tile.